Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope fine. So today I will show you Neutrino Plus all version. So if you download it, you can use it that it working or not. So let's see Neutrino Plus all version, old version, new version. So let's see, you need to download, you need to go to Google Chrome. Okay, then search here Neutrino Plus all versions. Okay, if you select this, then this page disappear. You need to click on second, Neutrino Plus update version history for Android APK. So it's all APK files, you know and it's not available in Play Store, so you can download it from directly from Chrome browser, Google. So it's all Neutrino Plus versions. The oldest version is 1.3.0. Okay, and its releasing date mentioned 9 2016, and this is 1.4. So it's all Neutrino Plus version. How much version is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 version is already released by Neutrino Plus. So here is all version. Okay, so what you need to download this. Okay, if your Neutrino Plus is not working, I have already making a lot of videos in this topic. Okay, that Neutrino Plus is not working these days. If you want to increase likes, Neutrino Plus, it's not working. If you want to increase likes, followers in Neutrino Plus, it's not working. So Neutrino Plus is erroring in these days. So what you need to download one of them, Neutrino Plus. Okay, it's all Neutrino Plus apps. Okay, so download from it if you like to old version or medium version, if you like to 1.7 version, if you like to 1.6 version. So download from it. So if it's working, it's good that your Neutrino Plus is working. So all Neutrino Plus is not same. Some Neutrino Plus is working, some Neutrino Plus is not working. As you know, Neutrino Plus new version is now these days it's not working, and this older version I hope that it's will be working. So download from it. Okay, easily click on this. If you want to download old version, click on this. Then you need to start in download. You can select from replace file or create new file. Okay, so download from this. So enjoy the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye, take care.